In today's session, we will discuss the second part of our circles chapter, which contains tangent and its equation, normal and its equation, and condition for a line to become tangent to the given circle, and point of contact. These 5 topics we shall discuss for today. Here, what's a tangent? Tangent means the line that touches the circle, the line that touches the circle exactly in one point is called tangent. The line that touches the circle exactly in one point is called tangent. What is the meaning of this word, this sentence? Suppose this is the circle which we have taken. Here is a line that touches the circle exactly in one point. This point is P and this is line is PT. Then this line is called tangent to the circle. This is the line which is called as tangent to the circle. If suppose a line is like this, this is also actually hitting the circle in one point, but that cannot be called as line touches the circle, line penetrates the circle or hits the circle if the line is like this. So this cannot be called as tangent line. The above one will be called as tangent line. Suppose you may ask like this. A line is like this. What's the difference between these two? The above one touches the circle exactly in one point, and this one is passing through the circle. It is intersecting the circle in two different points, and it is passing through the circle. Hence, this is called secant. Name of this one is secant. That's why in our calculus part, there is a well-known short answer question or one word answer, that is, limiting position of a secant is called dash. What is the limiting position of a secant means? This is secant. Another secant you draw here, another one you draw here, another one. Like that, if you go on drawing these lines, definitely you will be getting one line that touches the circle exactly in one point, which is nothing but tangent. So, if you continue drawing secants to a circle, definitely you will be getting at one particular point, you will get the tangent. That's why it is called in one definition or one short answer or one word answer statement. The limiting position of a secant is nothing but tangent. Now, our present requirement is to determine equation of tangent to the given circle when a point is given. How to find out equation of the tangent? Here, this is one circle, sir. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Suppose this is the circle. Then in that circle, here is a point given, P x1 y1. You draw a line like this. This is called tangent. This is called tangent. Now our present requirement is to determine equation of the tangent. how to find equation of this tangent. For that, the procedure that can be adopted is equation of given circle. First step. Equation of given circle. S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Point. Given point. Given point. P x1 y1. Given point is P x1 y1. Now differentiating with respect to x. Which one? This equation, first equation. Differentiating first equation with respect to x. 2x plus 2y dy by dx plus 2g plus 2f dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx common. 2y plus 2f equal to minus of 2x plus 2g. dy by dx equal to minus 2 into x plus g by 2 into y plus f. Cancelled over. Slope of tangent at x1 y1 is dy by dx at x1 y1. That means in the place of x you put x1 and in the place of y we have to put y1. Then what will you get? Minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 equal to minus of g plus x1 by f plus y1 into x minus x1. F plus y1, y minus y1 into f plus y1 equal to minus of g plus x1 into x minus x1. Bring all values to one side. Then how to bring all values to one side? Here you can see y minus y1 into f plus y1 plus g plus x1 into x minus x1 equal to 0. Then what will you get? Multiply x1 here y into y1 y1 g into x gx f into y fy. Here f into y fy minus gx1 minus fy1 and minus y1 square minus x1 square equal to 0. I multiply term by term x into x1 xx1 y into y1 yy1 g into x gx f into y fy g into x1 gx1 f into y1 fy1 minus x1 square minus y1 square. Here xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1. Add gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Then what will you get? Xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy plus gx1 plus fy1 plus c equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1 plus gx1 plus fy1 plus c. xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 f into y plus y1 plus c equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. The same we can write down as left hand side one can be written as in our standard notation S1. Right hand side standard notation S11. Since Px1y1 lies on S equal to 0, that implies S11 equal to 0. Therefore, equation of tangent is S1 equal to 0. What is meant by S1 equal to 0? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That gives us equation of the tangent in its standard form. Under what conditions we can apply this formula? When circle equation is given to us, a point on the circle is given. Sir, where is the necessity of taking a point on the circle only? That's why I have explained here. Since Px1y1 lies on s equal to 0, then what does it mean? As Px1y1 point is on the circle, then we will get S11 equal to 0. Therefore, final equation of the tangent to the circle is S1 equal to 0. This is our very important theorem in circles chapter. In general, this will be given to you for 7 marks, 7 marks question. Now, in continuation to this one, suppose our given circle is s equal to x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0. What is the difference between this one and previous circle equation? In this one, what we will get is center is origin, radius is r. For the previous one, center is other than origin and radius is a positive quantity. So, as the circle equation differs, suppose the point is x1, y1 as usual, then equation of tangent is xx1 plus yy1 minus r square equal to 0. Equation of tangent is xx1 plus yy1 minus r square equal to 0. That gives us equation of the tangent. Next one, here the same tangent, suppose the point is given outside the circle, then what to do in this case? To find out equation of the circle, equation of the tangent. In this completed part, the point is on the circle. Suppose you were given a point outside the circle, then even in that case also you have to find out equation of tangent. Then how to proceed and what is to be done? Let us see. For that, let us take a circle whose equation is x square plus y square equal to r square. Let us say this is Second theorem or second result. Given circle is x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0, and point outside the circle, point outside the circle, outside the circle is x1 y1. Point outside the circle means point lying outside to the circle. That means if you draw the diagram, this is the diagram, and here is a line Px1 y1. This tangent equation you have to find out, and circle equation given here is x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0. Then how to find out equation of tangent? Here, as we don't know the equation of the tangent, let the tangent PT be y equal to mx plus c. Let the tangent PT be y equal to mx plus c. That means we don't know the equation of this. I am assuming the equation as y equal to mx plus c. Mx minus y plus c equal to 0 touches x square plus y square equal to r square. What is center? See, 0, 0. To this circle, center coordinates are always 0, 0. What is radius to the circle? CP, let us name, or CQ. Radius CQ equal to R, small r. If the line touches the circle, there is a rule, perpendicular distance from the center equal to radius. From the diagram, CQ equal to R. How to find out CQ? Line equation is known to you, point is known to you. CQ can be obtained by, how to find out CQ? In first year we have studied that one, modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. What is the line equation? This one, modulus of AX1, substitute, in the place of x you put 0. 0 minus 0 plus c by root of m square plus 1. C by root m square plus 1. C by root m square plus 1. CQ equal to R. So, this is equal to R. Squaring on both sides, C square equal to R square into m square plus 1. C square equal to R square into m square plus 1. C equal to plus or minus R root m square plus 1. C equal to plus or minus R root m square plus 1. This is condition for a line to touch the circle. Then, how to find out equation? Y equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Y equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. That gives us equation of the tangent to the circle. In this point we haven't used, but this is called slope form of tangent. This is called slope form of tangent because the involvement of slope of the line is there. Involvement of slope of the line. That means if you know the slope, if you know point, you need not have point outside the circle, but if you know the slope and point and circle equation, we can find out its tangents equation, which is called y equal to mx plus r minus r root 1 plus m square. In this, inherently, we derived one condition, that is, for a circle of this type, if the line touches the circle, the condition is c equal to plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. C equal to plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. So, in this derivation, we have taken up condition for a line to touch the circle, this one. At the same time, equation of tangent to the circle in slope form. That's why to this we can put the heading equation of tangent in slope form. In slope form. Then you may ask, sir, what is the use of this point, sir? In doing problems, passing through one particular point, if he gives the condition, that we can apply and we can find out the unknown values in the equation. Radius will be known to you, but m won't be known to you. So you can even find out m value by using the given point. Afterwards, you can substitute that point in the main equation. So, in the second question, we learned about equation of tangent to the circle in slope form. Next, based on these two, we shall discuss one or two problems, and one or two problems I will give you as an assignment. Let us take up one problem. Our first problem is find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 at 3, 4. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 at 3, 4. At 3, 4. It is lying on this circle. (25) and this point is here. What is the equation of tangent? To find out the equation, our formula is equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is xx1 plus yy1 minus r square equal to 0. xx1 plus yy1 minus r square equal to 0. Here x1, y1 coordinates are 3, 4. Substitute 3x plus 4y minus 25 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 25 equal to 0 will give us equation of अच्छा हाँ नहीं था मल्ली